Hello guys, today we will learn something about 3D designing. When we want to print our 3D design model, we have to design it first. Where we can design it? We can design it on Tinkercad. You have to search Tinkercad on Google. After that, you have to click on the first link and then you have to log in. Personal account, sign in with Google. Now, what you have to do? You have to go on create, then 3D design. Today we will design keychain of your name first alphabet of your name. Then we will bring text here. Then we will type here first alphabet of your name like capital C. Then you have to fix its dimensions, change its dimension. I want the keychain of 25 mm length and breadth, 25 mm, and of thickness 4 mm. After that I will bring the cylinder or ring of dimension 7 mm, 7 mm, 4 mm. Then I will fix it here. And then I will make some designs, like I will print star along with my keychain. So I will fix its size to 25 mm, length and breadth 25 mm, and its height should be 4 mm, and I will fix it here. Then I will press Ctrl plus A to select my all design, and then we have to combine it. After combine, we have to export it .stl.